ओके नर्सरी क्लास, आई होप कि आप सब ने जो नंबर्स हैं वो लर्न कर लिए होंगे। अब हम राइटिंग करेंगे इसकी। जो नंबर्स हमने रीड किए हैं उनकी राइटिंग होगी। ओपन योर बुक, माय एक्टिविटी बुक ऑफ numbers and shapes. Today we will write 4. What is this? 4. Today we will write 4. Write date 10 April 2020. HW and Friday. Trace the 4. Straight. 4. What is this? 4. Write next 4. We will write all the 4. Write on dots and by self. After that we will do colors in planets. Do colors neat and different colors which you like. Okay students, write and then color it. Open the next page. Identify and circle number 4. Circle the 4. How many 4? 4. Circle the 4. Make a group of 4. You can make a group of 4 easily. One, 2, 3, 4. How many duck? 4. 2 left. Okay.